Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting clean, structured tables into the data model. In Power Query, remove blanks, set column types, and promote headers, then choose Load to and send the query to the data model. Once done, name each query clearly so you can reference them. Make sure to set relationships if multiple tables will interact. These steps ensure the dashboard pulls from a single, reliable source and prevents broken links later when you build pivots and visuals. Next, create your interactive views by inserting pivot tables that use the data model rather than individual sheets. Choose measures and fields across related tables to form each KPI table or chart. Once the pivots are in place, add pivot charts and apply clear formatting so each visual is readable at a glance. Then insert slicers and a timeline tied to the model. These controls will link all pivots and charts simultaneously, giving you a single, synchronized dashboard control layer. To finish, configure refresh behavior for each query and the workbook so updates propagate to the model and then to pivots and charts. Protect the dashboard layout by locking objects or protecting the sheet while keeping pivot interactions allowed. Test by changing a source file and running refresh all. If visuals break, make sure each query still loads to the data model and verify table relationships in the model view. Mismatched keys or a disconnected query are the most common causes of failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.